Alright, so first up, ChatGPT Atlas. OpenAI just released this thing and people are calling it the biggest change to web browsing since Google basically invented modern search. So what is Atlas exactly? Think of it like this. You know how normally you'd go to Google, type something in, get a list of blue links, click through a bunch of websites, read through ads and paywalls and cookie pop-ups, and eventually piece together your answer. Yeah, Atlas just throws that entire process out the window. Instead, you tell ChatGPT what you're looking for, and it goes out, browses the web for you, pulls information from multiple sources, and gives you a complete answer with everything organized and explained. It's like having a research assistant who actually does the boring work while you sit back and get the good stuff. The demo videos are honestly kind of mind-blowing. People are asking it things like planning entire trips, researching products, comparing prices across different websites, and Atlas is handling it all. One example showed someone asking Atlas for help finding the right sunscreen, and this is where it gets really impressive. Atlas didn't just give a list of products. It actually helped walk them through the entire decision, comparing different options, checking reviews, looking at prices, and then even helped guide them all the way to checkout. It's like having a personal shopping assistant who actually knows what they're talking about and does all the research legwork for you. No clicking through a dozen tabs, no getting lost in Reddit threads, just straight answers and real help from start to finish. Atlas comes with ChatGPT built right into its core. Users will find an AI assistant in the sidebar, and the browser brings ChatGPT capabilities into search results and other personalized features. There's also something called agent mode. Now, one interesting feature here, the browser offers what they're calling memories. Essentially, ChatGPT can remember information from the websites you visit, and it uses those details to tailor its responses and even handle some of your everyday tasks automatically. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about convenience. This could fundamentally change how websites get traffic. Think about it. If Atlas is answering questions without you ever clicking on the actual websites, what happens to those sites? They lose visitors, which means they lose ad revenue, which means they might not survive. Some people are already calling this the death of traditional SEO because why would you optimize for Google when people aren't even visiting Google anymore? They're just asking ChatGPT. Publishers and content creators are understandably nervous because their entire business model depends on people actually visiting their sites. OpenAI says they're working with publishers and respecting paywalls, but the whole situation is definitely causing some tension in the industry. Regardless of the controversy though, Atlas is available right now for ChatGPT Plus and team users, and it's pretty clear this is the direction things are heading.